So to get the Furnace Dragon, I got the Furnace Dragon right here, as you guys can see. As you guys can see, it is. Well, let me shut off my air conditioner. It's a little bit loud in here. And I had to come in here in my bedroom because my mother and my grandfather are watching a movie. So, okay, so I got the Furnace Dragon, as you can see, right there. 2 days, 9 hours. That's him right there. Cute little guy. So how I got him, I bred my level 15 war. I'm not sure if this was luck or if it was just the best combination, but my war dragon was level 15, and my seed dragon, he's level 15. As you can see, he's right there. So I bred them together yesterday, and it said 1 day and 23 hours. So I think the best combination to get him is the War Dragon and the Seed Dragon, in that exact order. And then I got him. It popped up 1 day and 23 hours. I'm not sure what the VIP waiting time was, but I didn't have VIP, so I'm just VIP and wait and stuff. So yeah. And that's how I got my second legendary dragon. My first legendary dragon was the Titan. There's my Titan dragon here. I'm not sure what the third element for the Titan is, but I do know that his second element is Void, in case none of you guys knew that. So you have to awaken him. And it costs 800,000, so it's expensive. Let's go to the Young Fun event for now. I'm already at 109 dragons. I don't have much coming on yet. Oh, there we go. We got that. That'll help out. Please do 2 dolls. Okay, we got 1 doll. That's good enough. Get rid of 1 doll. Put this in here, put this in here, put this in here, and we got rid of 2. And you guys need a doll? No? Okay, let's just trash that then. So far we have 112. I don't think I'm gonna get the leaderboard prize. I don't think I'm gonna get him this year. I mean, this time. I'm only position level 60 right there. But I think the best, anyway, let's get back to the Furnace Dragon. I think the best combination to get the legendary Furnace Dragon is for the War and Seed Dragon. And I had mine both level 15. I'm not sure if it was out of straight luck, but if you guys like this YouTube video, make sure to comment down below, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Become part of the notification squad. And don't forget to try this breeding combo. If you guys like these videos, comment down below, say, I like this video. Just say, hashtag make more in the comments. Put hashtag make more in the comments. And I'll make more breeding videos about Dragon Mania Legends. If you guys like this, my next breeding one will be showing you guys how to get the legendary Titan. It took me a couple tries. It took me like 14 tries to get it, but it was hard. And the next one will be how to breed some more legendary dragons or stuff like that, whatever. Next one will be how to breed the next dragon of the week. And I'll show you how to breed the next dragon of the week. And I'll make the video then in 1 day and 13 hours. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to it, and comment on it. Peace!